Orere namba ya arwaru ithiete na mbere na kwambatira guku bururi-ini, kaunti ya Naikuru ni ihotorete kuhotomia gutherema kwa homa ino mwena ucio. Imwe wa njira iria thirikari ya kaunti ihũthĩrĩte itongoretio ni ngavana wa Naikuru Lee Kinyajui ni gutigirira wandi iria irakwo ni ciagarurwo na gutuika keheri ga gutangikira arwaru a COVID-19. Gavana Lee akwaragia ricera-ini riake thibitari-ini munene wa Naikuru guthurima mwaka ucio uria wirigirirwo kuigwo itanda 500.
We wish to convert this facility upon completion in the next 60 days or so into a COVID center, and we can comfortably accommodate 500 beds in this facility. So in terms of infrastructure preparedness, we think we are relatively okay, except for the funding. But I will be able to finish this and convert it, add another 100 in Gilgil. We also have Langa. And once we convert all this, we'll be able to take in all those patients.
Ongereire ati makinyukitie makinya mau thutha wa thirikari cia kaunti kurio kwihariria guthaitira arwaru a corona ni gukorwo namba yao ya kuongerereka ica ikuhi.
We have bought the PPEs, all the protective gear necessary up to around August. But with the added funding, we got about 201 million shillings. And together with our own internal budget and collections, we plan to increase our stock up to around November, noting that when the disease gets to the peak, normally there will be a shortage.
Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Naikuru Ndagitari Kariuki Gicuki augite mari na macini cia guteithiriria arwaru kuhuhia cia kuigana indi ni makuongerera kuona no marambatiria ikiro cia thibitari wa Naivasha.
Kulingana na statistics ambazo ziko, we will have to escalate the number of beds as we go along, so that when we expect a peak of 1,000, we should have 1,000 beds.
You're also aware we have a facility in Naivasha that is currently under construction, and it will also go a long way in alleviating the challenge, especially the COVID-related challenge.
Hamwe na makinya mangi makinyukitio ni kwandika arigitani makiria, kugura indo cia arigitani cia kwigitia na gukinyaniria nyongerera ya mishahara kuri arigitani. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Nduta wa Nyuthe.